All right. So what are we doing today, Carrie?
I forgot.
We are making beef ribs. Okay.
Oh yeah, we're smoking, not making.
Smoking
like
beef ribs.
a whole other level.
This is 225. Is that okay? I didn't wash my hands yet. Clean hands is always good. We've got 2 ribs that we put on the Traeger already. One is seasoned with crazy salt. The other one is seasoned with a Traeger seasoning.
The stall period is when the moisture starts to release from the meat and the fat starts to drip in. And after it hits 165, we'll wrap it. Oh crap, I didn't get butcher paper. I gotta get butcher paper.
You know, we got closer to expertise at the cooking. I said closer to closer to
Closer than
closer
Closer
yeah.
to the general public?
Yeah, I think so. I mean,
Closer than
it
most.
sounds like you read about this or something.
I wrote a book.
Oh, you wrote? Did you really?
No.
Yeah, I believe you with some of this stuff.
I know.
Feels sort of abandoned, sort of stuck here. Just while Carrie goes and gets the thermometers.
This bad boy is beeping. What is this? Temperature 1? Probe 1. Somehow this thing is beeping. Is it hotter on this side of the grill than this side?
It's mostly hotter in the middle.
This is cooking faster than this. We're gonna wrap it. That's reading 185. No, the paper's too small. Ah, dang it. Guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to put the thermostat back into the meat. So probe 1 is at 138. It's not at 165 because it's hotter here than here. And then this probe here is at 170. I'm raising it up to maybe what, 210?
Okay, the temperature of the Traeger is set to 225. It's like
180, 25?
25.
There you go. You have no choice. Second piece of meat
Second piece of meat
at 165.
at 165. You know, wrap this puppy up.
Tongs.
Tongue, that's a slab of meat.
I've burned my hand so many times just grabbing this and taking it out.
He's burned his hand so many times grabbing that and pulling it out.
Damn it, I did it again.
Right.
I forgot to put the probe in.
Get it in there.
Darn. Diggity darn. I have this thing about probes.
That is flavor.
Fat is flavor.
Fat is flavor. I'm gonna check the pellets, make sure that the pellets are like still in there.
This is part of your regular barbecuing procedure
That's
to hang weights
Well, yeah, because
on the
keep that-
door?
The lid's sealed because somehow the Traeger door got a little misaligned and.
The temperature is getting up to where it's supposed to be.
We're making improvements though. I like how we're adapting to situations, and that thing goes right there now. So you see the supply of that right there. Don't let that fall off, right? Okay, so now the temperature is doing its thing now, right?
This is so hokey. You're just burning pellets with like the janky.
Anyway, we got this
Cheesy lid.
weight system on now. This is making it better.
It is making it better, but come on, man.
Well, I mean, if you would have just had those parchment paper or the butcher paper earlier, like I probably would have remembered to put the weights on.
Well, where's the apple cider vinegar spray? Huh?
Well, those things are wrapped. You said it's too late.
No, it's not. It's never too late to spray apple cider vinegar.
We should probably add it at the end.
No, you don't spray your meat with the apple cider vinegar at the end.
We talked about.
Oh, so I left it out of the script.
You left it out of the script, you know, which I didn't print out or read.
Which didn't.
We referred to it today.
Who's finger pointing who?
Finger pointing at you.
Me? Look, both of them are exactly heated
Oh,
evenly
good.
now.
All right, so is it ready?
Yeah, look at that. Watch out, that's hot. Ouch.
When you're finished with your using it, you turn it down to the shutdown cycle, which is all the way to the left, and then it'll finish doing its thing and shut off by itself.
That sounds like a great way to waste pellets.
Here's the meat, right? So should we get closer to this and take a look at it, or what?
It would have been better to wait an hour, but I don't want to wait.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's really soft.
Yes.
Like insanely soft. That's why it has to rest, because if you try to cut it now, it's going to turn to mush.
Oh.
Let me see these tongs. Let's try this one too. We gotta make sure both, quality control is one of the most important parts. It's not as salty.
The one that's probably not as salty is probably the one that is the regular crazy salt one.
Crazy salt rub?
Yeah, and then the other one is going to be the one with the Traeger mix.
The Traeger rub?
Traeger rub on there.
It's still good.
The big reveal. Dun, dun, dun. It's still soft. It's still super, super soft. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at that pull from the bone. Oh, amazing.
Trash is right there.
Earlier, when you pulled some of the bones off, the meat just fell off the bone.
Oh.
Now that it's cool, you see, you can take a whole piece. After the ribs cooled, it's still hard to cut because it's so tender that it's falling apart. But the whole idea of letting it cool for at least an hour, letting the meat rest just so that it doesn't fall apart because this is so juicy and so tender with this delicious smoke ring on the meat. The caramelization of the fat.
Right.
Look at that.
Wow, that's really good.
My favorite's that in Tombstone's Bill Paxton's character.
Why don't you put her in charge?
Yeah.
Not that role, huh? Wow, it looks so good. Oh my goodness.
Like I said, that smoke ring. I'm kind of torn with the way this partial bone is here. I kind of want to leave it.
Just leave it. Just put that on my plate and I'll take care of it. Don't you worry.
You got the barbecue sauce?
It's downstairs.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it.